Hello everybody, today we'll do complex of exercise which help you to stretch your split. So don't say a lot, let's start working. So first what you're starting to do, we'll get in this position, take our hands up. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, working with this leg, we take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that, slowly take our blocks in another side, starting the pushing for exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take our back leg on the floor, take our blocks on this side, and we'll start taking work. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that, take blocks on this side and starting the pushing for our leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly take the legs together and slide behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe me, text me likes, subscribe, and write me in the comments which exercise you want to see in my future videos. So bye bye.